I tested an AI that predicts the future. From career paths to global events, what it said shocked me. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. We're talking about predictive AI, systems trained on massive datasets, trends, and human behavior. In this video, I'll show you how this AI works, what it predicted about me, and how it might just be the scariest or smartest technology in 2025. Do you believe AI can see the future? Comment below. Let's dive in. What is predictive AI? Predictive AI is built to forecast outcomes based on existing data. It uses algorithms that process historical data, real-time trends, behavior patterns. Think of it like weather forecasting, but for human lives, economies, and choices. It powers stock predictions, medical risk analysis, personalized learning path recommendation engines, and now, it's being used to predict your personal future. The test. I asked it about my life. I used a custom AI tool built with GPT, behavioral data, and predictive modeling. I gave it my age, interests, education goals, income level. The AI responded with a 5-year forecast. Career pivot, major move abroad, building passive income streams, hitting burnout mid-year 3. At the time, it felt random. But fast forward a year later, most of it already happened. How it works. The AI analyzes your online behavior choices. Similar people have made global market and tech trends. Psychological profiling. It builds a trajectory based on pattern matching, probabilities, and natural language predictions. This is similar to what Netflix and Spotify do, but on a much deeper level. It's not psychic. It's statistical foresight. Can it predict the world? We tested it on global questions. Will there be another pandemic? What jobs will disappear by 2030? How will AI change education? It gave answers like, healthcare delivery will move toward remote first and AI-assisted diagnostics. Retail and transportation jobs will be 70% automated in developed nations. A mental health crisis among Gen Z is highly probable. Are these facts? No, but they're strong data-backed possibilities. The ethical debate. If AI can predict our future, should we use it to make life decisions? Is it manipulating free will? What happens if the data is biased? These questions matter. Because predictive AI doesn't just describe the future, it might influence it. If people follow what the AI says, it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Making it work for you instead of fearing it. Learn how to use it. You can use AI to plan your career based on skill trends, predict financial growth, choose business models with the highest success rate, find potential risks in life decisions. Tools like ChatGPT with custom prompts, Futurepedia.ai, predictive dashboards like Delve AI, Crystal knows for personality predictions. Start testing, start questioning, start planning smarter.
AI won't replace intuition or human experience, but it can give you an edge, a glimpse into what may come. In a world filled with uncertainty, predictive AI offers a map, not of certainties, but of possibilities. So, do you believe AI can see the future? Comment below and let's talk about it. Want to learn how I use AI to build passive income and stay ahead of trends? Right finger https://linktr.ee/alprofitmastery. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The future is here, and it's learning faster than we are. Bonus, future of predictive AI. Let's talk about what's coming next. Predictive AI is evolving. It's learning faster, becoming more personal. Imagine AI that not only sees where you're headed, but adjusts your path in real time. We're talking about AI-powered career mentors, personal finance co-pilots, real-time health monitors that warn you before you get sick. It's not just about prediction anymore. It's adaptive guidance. Government and society. Governments are already using predictive analytics for crime prediction, social service planning, border control, economic modeling, but this raises concerns. Data privacy, surveillance, algorithmic bias. Will predictive AI be used to empower citizens or control them? That depends on regulation and transparency. Real users' stories. Let's hear a few stories from users who tried AI predictions. A student who changed their major based on AI and now works in AI research. An entrepreneur who used it to time product launches based on market analysis. A woman who avoided burnout by using AI to track her mental wellness patterns. These aren't just predictions. They're real lives, optimized through insight. Building your own predictive toolkit. Want to try it yourself? Start building your predictive toolkit. Use ChatGPT for decision-making trees. Use Notion with AI blocks to plan habits and track trends. Try Delphi, Delve AI, or Rewind for behavioral prediction. Even simple tools like Google Trends and LinkedIn Skills reports can help you predict demand. AI and your relationships. One of the most fascinating applications of predictive AI is in human relationships. Algorithms are already being used in dating apps to predict compatibility, emotional alignment, and long-term relationship success. AI can assess communication styles, shared interests, and life goals, conflict resolution potential. Some startups are even working on predictive marriage risk scores based on digital communication patterns and personality data. You could soon have AI helping you choose your future partner, or warning you about emotional red flags before they show up. Predictive AI in personal health. Imagine an AI that doesn't just tell you your blood pressure, it tells you what day you're likely to burn out. That's where predictive health AI is going. Using wearable data, mental health tracking, and lifestyle inputs, systems are beginning to alert users about sleep deficit patterns, emotional dysregulation, nutrition-related health risks. Preventative care could become not just physical, but digital and emotional too. Risks of over-reliance. With all this power comes danger. Relying too much on predictive AI can reduce critical thinking, create dependency on algorithms, make you fear acting without AI confirmation. Like any tool, it must be used wisely. Your future is not a fixed path. AI offers predictions, not destiny. Knowing when to listen, and when to think for yourself, is the real key. What happens next? We are only at the beginning. The next generation of AI won't just predict events, it will simulate them. You'll run entire life decisions through simulations before making them. Should you move to another city? Quit your job? Start a business? Soon you'll test these choices in predictive reality models before you ever take action. AI won't just change your future. It will let you preview it. The only question is, what will you do with that power? Book https://linktr.ee/alprofitmastery